If you're a fan of Tamagoyaki, Japanese rolled omelette, or simply love making delicious, fluffy eggs in the morning, then this TeChef Tamagoyaki Japanese omelette pan is about to become your kitchen's best friend. Whether you're looking to perfect the art of cooking delicate omelets or need a reliable pan for all your egg-based creations, this versatile skillet has everything you need. Let's take a deep dive into why this egg pan skillet is a game changer. Why choose the TeChef Tamagoyaki omelette pan? The 3-layer reinforced Teflon coating ensures your Tamagoyaki, omelets, and other dishes cook smoothly with no sticking or mess. TeChef uses a safe, PFOA-free non-stick surface, which not only makes cooking easier, but also ensures healthier food with less oil. Plus, the new scratch resistance technology ensures the pan maintains its non-stick properties for years, even with regular use. One of the standout features of this omelette pan is its unique sloped shape. This design makes flipping and rolling your omelets or sandwiches a breeze, so you don't have to worry about mess or breaking delicate foods. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll appreciate how effortlessly this pan helps you create perfect Tamagoyaki. The heavy-gauge forged aluminum construction ensures this pan can stand up to frequent use while delivering even heat distribution. No more worrying about hot spots that burn your food. The sturdy base is induction-ready and works on all types of stovetops, including electric, gas, ceramic, and induction. It's ideal for home kitchens of all sizes. Not only does this pan perform well on the stovetop, but it's also oven-safe up to 350 Fahrenheit. Whether you're starting your dish on the stove and finishing it off in the oven, or simply want to warm leftovers, this versatile skillet can handle it. And for those days when you just don't want to spend time cleaning up, this pan is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a total breeze. TeChef prides itself on creating cookware that is safe for you and the environment. This pan is PFOA-free, meaning it's free of harmful chemicals like cadmium and lead. It's been tested and approved by regulatory agencies like the FDA, the European Food Safety Authority, and the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, ensuring it's safe for cooking healthy meals. While it's designed with Tamagoyaki in mind, this multifunctional pan is perfect for other dishes as well. Whether you're making fried eggs, sandwiches, pancakes, steak, or vegetables, the TeChef Tamagoyaki omelette pan delivers top-notch results every time. Its versatility ensures it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Key features at a glance. 3-layer Teflon nonstick coating, safe, easy cooking and cleaning. Heavy-gauge forged aluminum, provides even heat distribution. Sloped front and straight sides, ideal for easy flipping and rolling. Induction-compatible base, works with all stovetops, including induction. Oven-safe, up to 350 Fahrenheit, versatile for stovetop to oven dishes. Dishwasher safe, for easy cleaning after cooking. Who should buy the TeChef Tamagoyaki omelette pan? Home cooks and beginners. If you've ever struggled with flipping eggs or Tamagoyaki, this pan makes cooking easy and fun. Tamagoyaki enthusiasts. If you're passionate about Japanese cuisine, especially making the perfect rolled omelette, this pan is your essential tool. Health-conscious cooks. The PFOA-free non-stick surface means you can cook with less oil, promoting healthier meals. Busy individuals. The easy cleanup and versatile design make this pan a great choice for people who want to make quick, delicious meals without a hassle. Customer service and guarantee. TeChef stands by the quality of their products, and their customer service team is always ready to assist if you encounter any issues with your purchase. The skillet is built to last, but if you experience any problems, they are committed to resolving them promptly. Rest easy knowing you're covered by a reliable warranty for peace of mind. Why you should choose TeChef's Tamagoyaki pan. Perfect for cooking Tamagoyaki, omelets, pancakes, and more. Durable and safe with a PFOA-free Teflon coating. Induction-ready and works with all stove types. Oven and dishwasher safe for convenient cooking and cleanup. This TeChef Tamagoyaki Japanese omelette pan will take your cooking game to the next level. Don't settle for ordinary cookware. Make the upgrade today and enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked dishes with ease. Click the link below to view the full product specifications and get yours now. Final thoughts. This TeChef Tamagoyaki omelette pan is an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their cooking skills. From Tamagoyaki to pancakes, its sleek design, durability, and versatile features make it the go-to skillet for all your needs. Click the link in the description below to buy it now and experience the TeChef difference. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.